In this tip, we will learn about comparison chaining. You can chain comparison operators arbitrarily. Apart from terser code, this also has the advantage of having to evaluate the middle expression only once. Let us see an example. So we will use the factorial function from the math module. Here we are checking whether factorial of 3 satisfies these two conditions, and then they are combined using the AND Boolean operator. So the first condition is factorial of 3 greater than 2, and second condition is factorial of 3 less than 10. Only if both conditions evaluate to true, the output will be true. In such cases, you can use comparison chaining. So this is how usually mathematical expressions are written. 2 less than factorial of 3 less than 10. You can see this middle expression factorial of 3 has to be evaluated only once, whereas in the earlier case this function was called twice. So apart from resulting in a very simpler expression to read, comparison chaining also has the advantage of faster execution. Let us see another example. So here cat is checked whether it is greater than bat and less than cater. Hope you enjoyed this tip.